Here's a review of proportional relationships in all the different ways that we have talked about them. A table, a graph, an equation, and a verbal description. And then you're going to use this reference sheet to help you complete the rest of your activity. So a table, two variables represent a proportional relationship in a table if the table begins at 0, 0, or could have 0, 0 in it. And equal ratios exist. All ratios are equal to the same value. So like in the table, if it has like 1, 2, 4, 8, 3, 6, so that everything is being doubled. A relationship for a graph, so two variables represent a proportional relationship on a graph if the line goes to the origin, or 0, 0, and the line is straight. Equation. Two variables represent a proportional relationship in an equation if the equation is written in the form y equals kx. So y equals 2x, y equals 5x, y equals 1/2 x. So as long as it's y equals a number in front of x with no addition or subtraction. Verbal description. Two variables represent a proportional relationship in a verbal description if there's a constant rate of change. A constant factor relates the variables. Also, if it makes sense for it to be 0, 0. So like if you're buying something and it costs you $2 for every box of cereal, that's proportional because one box would be $2, two boxes would be $4, three boxes would be $6, and so on as you go up. But if it said something like, in order to get into the amusement park, you have to pay $5 to get in, and then each ride is an additional $2, that's not proportional because even though there's a constant rate of $2 every ride, you still have to pay that initial amount, so it doesn't start at 0. So what you're going to do is on that first slide, you're going to use this video and type in all these different ways to remind you of how a table, a graph, an equation, and a verbal description are proportional relationships.